Hello navigators, welcome back. In today's lecture, we'll talk about interface change foam. This is a solver for simulation in which phase change is involved. For example, there is water that is hitting certain fin with a very high speed, and due to that there is low pressure zone or a wake zone, due to which the pressure around that region is very low, and that can cause cavitation to occur. Cavitation is a phase change from liquid to its vapor due to the local pressure around that region. This particular solver, interface change foam, is used to simulate that kind of phenomena in which phase change is involved. Cavitation is one of the example. By the end of this lecture, you will know that how phase change is solved in incompressible flows and how to set up your simulation for interface change foam. Let's get started. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content of our channel, then please like, comment, share and subscribe.